Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about jersey fabrics. So we've got a nice selection of jersey fabrics here to show you. This is a really lovely bright fabric, and then we've gone for some leaves at the bottom and a more abstract pattern in the middle. So when we think about jersey, lots of people are a little bit scared. They think it's going to be impossible, but if you pick a nice simple pattern to start with and use a stretch needle, you should be okay. Now at Sweet Seams we're all about getting people started, and to do that we often promote Tillys patterns, Tilly and the Buttons, because her patterns are really aimed at beginners. They've got nice simple instructions with plenty of pictures, and this is the pattern that I'm wearing at the moment, which is the Nora, which is you can either do it with a raised neckline, or you can do a younger version, a crop version, and you can have either long or short sleeves. So that's a beginner's pattern. If you're a little bit further on, she also does the Agnes. This is a t-shirt or a long sleeve t-shirt, but it has a bit more of a sleeve detail with some ruching, and she's written on the front of the pattern that this is for improvers. So these fabrics, they're all £13 a metre, and at the moment we've got a sale on for the lockdown. So we've got a 15% sale on all our fabrics. So if you want to go to our website at sweetseams.co.uk, or if you've got a project and you want to give us a call to discuss a suitable fabric, we're happy to do that as well. So happy sewing, and hope to hear from you soon.